Welcome to our Chinese lesson today. Today, we're delving into the world of fruits. Get ready to spice up your vocabulary and express your fruity cravings in Mandarin. Now let's jump into the sweet adventure of learning fruit words together.
水果，菠萝，苹果，香蕉，草莓，芒果，西瓜，葡萄，蓝莓，柠檬，奇异果，梨，火龙果，西红柿，荔枝，桃子，橙子，橘子，椰子。
Alright, now that we've mastered some fruity vocabulary, let's dive into some juicy conversations. Picture this, you're with your friends, and you want to know their fruit preferences. How would you go about it? You turn to your friend and ask.
你喜欢吃水果吗？
Your friends might respond with,
我不喜欢吃水果。
我喜欢吃水果。
Now, let's switch it up a bit. Imagine you're curious about a specific fruit. How would you ask your friend if they like it? You might say,
你喜欢吃吗？
filling in the blank with the fruit you have in mind. For example,
你喜欢吃苹果吗？
let's explore the responses.
我喜欢吃苹果。我不喜欢吃苹果。
Now, let's put your newfound knowledge to the conversation.
你喜欢吃什么水果？
我喜欢吃草莓。
你喜欢吃蓝莓吗？
我不喜欢吃蓝莓。
Now I want to hear from you in the comments section below. Tell me, what's your favorite fruit? Use the Chinese phrases we learned today to share your preference. Remember, practice makes perfect, keep up the great work, and I'll catch you in the comments.